How to put your Vbucks gift card on PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video presentation, I'm going to teach you on how to redeem your Vbucks gift card on PC. So you have to follow along as I demonstrate the proper method to ensure you receive the full amount of first spending in the game's item shop. To begin, visit the Fortnite.com, the official website of the Fortnite on your web browser. Sign into your Vbucks game account at the top right corner using your email and password or other services like PSN, Xbox, etc. Once signed in, hover over to the icon, and among all these options, you have to select the Vbucks gift card option. Click on it. From this page, click on Get Started button in order to redeem your Vbucks code. Supported devices include PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, and PC. You have to enter your valid code and click Next. Although I cannot show the full process over here, scratch off the code on the back of your gift card and repeat as needed. Your Vbucks will be available instantly when you open the games through the Vbucks game launcher. If issue arises, contact the Vbucks game support or the retailer. I hope this guide helps you redeem your Vbucks gift card on PC. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to notify yourself whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.